dated October 2003. Moushumi Ari, a girl of 17 years of age, was murdered for days. After celebrating Deepavali, Moushumi was butchered by her in-laws.
এই কালী পুজোর রাত্রে, এই গত কালী পুজোর রাত্রে আমার মেয়ে মারা গেল। আমি তখন এখানে ছিলাম না, আমি ছিলাম পারাদ্বীপে।
Moushumi was the daughter of a poor fisherman. She fell in love with one of her classmates, Bidhan Ari. Bidhan's father, Chodesh Ari, was a Kagdi station. Man's greed for easy fortune doesn't even spare the life of a minor girl, and the structure of power and cruel to it. Chodesh Ari and their family took the easy way of fortune. They started to beat and torture Moushumi for dowries. On 25th October 2003, she succumbed to death by torture in her in-laws. Chodesh Ari and their family members murdered Moushumi. Kagdip, on the bank of river Hatania Dwani, is one of the significant places in the southern sea of Bengal, a center of fishing and preserving fishes. Narayanpur is a small village in Kagdip. Moushumi used to live in the fourth gheri of Narayanpur. Most of the people in the village are dependent on fishing and agriculture. This is Moushumi's house, where she spent 16 years with her parents. Like any other girl of the same age, she crafted her own inner space with the glitz and glamour of the film world, the fun and frolic and romances, where she used to take refuge from the mundane reality of her life. Her teenage fantasy made way to fall in love with Bidhan Ari, a classmate at Narayanpur where she used to read in. For 8 long years, she used to take this route to attend her classes in Narayanpur Adarsh Vidyalaya. In the month of February 2002, on the day of Saraswati Puja, she came to school and never came back. That was a bolt from the blue to Moushumi's parents, for which they were not prepared at all. After a long search, she was found with Bidhan Ari on the same evening. Violating all the legalities, Bidhan married Moushumi when she was barely 16. After that, she never met her parents. The next meeting with Moushumi was a shattering experience for her parents that changed their life forever. On 25th October 2003, they heard that Moushumi had committed suicide by hanging herself. They could not believe that a child could do it. Moushumi's mother Lakshmi and aunt Matangini rushed to the house of Chodesh Ari, but they were not allowed to enter the house. Till no doctor was called to attend Moushumi. The police came, led by Inspector Ankati Ghosh for investigation. They did a very mysterious job. They changed Moushumi's blood-stained clothing, which was vital evidence in this case. By that time, all blood-stained clothes and walls were wiped out.
Without Caesar list, মেয়েটার পুরো জামা কাপড় কেন নিয়ে হলো? FSL ফরেন্সিক সায়েন্স ল্যাবরেটরি সেখানে কেন পরীক্ষা দিতে পারলো না, এমনকি ঘর থেকে কেন শিফট করা হলো না, যার ফলে ওই স্বদেশী লোকজনেরা তারা বাড়ির যেহেতু মাটির ঘর ছিল সেখানে মাটি গুলোকে সব লোপাট করে দিয়েছে।
All these things they did to save one of the colleagues, Mosemi's father-in-law, Shamshari, are homeguard in Baghdad police station.
তখন সেই জায়গায় বলছে কোথাও দেওয়া হয়েছিল যে এসব জায়গা তো সব রক্ত ছিল, এরা বলছে কি ব্যাপার, বলে হ্যাঁ রক্ত ছিল।
Ramyakanti Ghosh, investigating officer in Moshemi's case, playing a very suspicious role. It was impossible to get him in his workplace, Kagdi police station. This invisible man conducted the main dealings from the lower to the upper level. So the police and administration created various reasons to hide him from any kind of arrest.
আমিও আসেন